In this video, we will learn how to read the CAN communication wiring diagram. We will understand the pin number, connector, and the communication wire goes from one connector to other. This will help you read the wiring diagram easily and troubleshoot problem. Now we will discuss the wiring diagram. To avoid any copyright issue from the PDF service manual, we have to create a wiring diagram by hand. This is our own simplified wiring layout based on the original system. Here we will explain the complete information about the CAN communication wiring, including power supply, ground, CAN high, CAN low lines. By understanding this wiring, you can easily trace the communication fault and diagnose J1939 CAN network problem in the heavy machines. This wiring diagram shows the CAN 1939 communication system of the machine. Each box in the diagram represents a controller such as a engine controller, transmission controller, and steering controller. The number write the bracket like 14. That means that show in the main connector, this 14 pin connector. This 14, that means this connector is the 14 pin connector, and also transmission controller, this 14 show, that mean this transmission controller, this connector have 14 pin. The same engine controller, this like that 14 number, that show this engine controller module ECM, this connector have 14 pin. And this small number, this show exact location of communication wiring pin number. This steering controller module 22 number pin is the CAN communication wiring, and also same transmission controller, also this 22 number pin is the CAN communication wiring. Or D6, that show the main harness connector. EG2, this one also show the harness main connector, that is the connector pin number 22, and also this connector pin number 16. And this ACM control module, the same ACM control module pin number 22 is the CAN communication wiring pin number. This specially wiring diagram for Komatsu D375 A-5 Komatsu Dozer. This diagram help us understand the complete communication path by the checking the pin number, connector, and wire joint step by step. We can trace the wiring easily and find the problem such as a loose connector, broken wire, or communication error.